Welcome, everyone. Today, we're exploring the features and benefits of Golden's home care product, LDC, a versatile, eco-friendly cleaner that can make a big difference in your daily cleaning routine and your environmental impact. What is LDC, or light duty cleaner in full? Is highly concentrated, meaning you get more cleaning power with less product, which makes it extremely economical. Now, LDC is Neolife's mildest concentrated household cleaner, ideal for a variety of tasks, from washing dishes and delicate fabrics to cleaning kitchen counters and appliances. It's a perfect for every single household or space that needs effective, gentle cleaning solutions. Now, why does LDC stand out? It stands out because it's this unique blend of three chemicals that help things mix that usually don't mix, things like oil and water. These substances, commonly known as surfactants, are known as this triple action formula, which includes three different types of chemicals known as emulsifiers, solubilizers, and wetting agents. And they work together to break down and lift dirt, grime, and oil in a way that standard cleaners as we know them can't. Now, this product can help break down this grease and dirt into particles that can dissolve into water and rinse away effortlessly. In short, LDC has surfactants, which are special chemicals that help water clean things better by making it easier for water to interact with the dirt, with the oil, and with other substances. Now, how does LDC work? For best results, we mix LDC in a 1:3 ratio, which I have done over here. I hope that translates better, which I've done over here. So this is the concentrated LDC. That means it's about 90 mils of LDC with about 270 mils of water. So here I've mixed the LDC with water, and that works out to about 6 teaspoons or tablespoons rather of LDC with 1.5 cups of water. And then you gently agitate the solution to mix LDC with water, and then now it's ready to use. And based on this dilution ratio of 1:3, so 90 mils of LDC, 270 mils of water, it can actually make a total of 11 bottles. So diluting LDC helps balance its strength, firstly, making it safe for various surfaces while maximizing its cleaning efficiency. Now, this 1:3 ratio really ensures that it's effective without being too harsh. So keep that in mind when diluting these particular solutions. Now, the benefits of LDC means that it obviously has several advantages, where we know LDC is made to rinse off easily, basically leaving no soapy residue, fragrance, or leftover dirt behind. So your surfaces are not just clean, but free from any unwanted chemicals or stickiness. It's also safe on delicate fabrics without causing any damage. So your silk items and your cashmere items. And a little goes a long way when we think about LDC. So you don't need to get a lot of product to get great results, which means in the end, it ends up saving you money. It does not contain a lot of harmful chemicals like phosphates, which are known to actually pollute water. And finally, LDC breaks down naturally after use, turning it into ingredients that are not harsh for the environment, where you can actually use the gray water for something else. Now, what are some of the real world applications when it comes to using LDC? Now, LDC is designed to fit seamlessly into various aspects of our everyday life, I beg your pardon, making it an essential tool for household and businesses alike. Here are some real world applications that I wanted us to discuss just briefly. Now, we know LDC is great for daily cleaning tasks around the house. So thinking about the multiple soaps that you have in your house, LDC will be replacing that, whether it's washing your dishes or wiping down your kitchen counters and appliances. Its gentle formula leaves surfaces spotless without harming delicate materials. LDC is also safe for hand washing fine fabrics, things like lingerie, silk, or cashmere, like I mentioned before, keeping clothes clean and undamaged. It also works well as a pre-treatment for stains and improving overall laundry results. And if you think of your office spaces, LDC can clean desks, keyboards, and other equipment, keeping the workspaces fresh and obviously professional. Then LDC is also safe for food preparation areas. So it's a biodegradable formulation that we've used in this particular product that breaks down naturally, helping you to reduce your environmental footprint. Additionally, LDC is a phosphate-free concentrated soap, which means that it preserves the aquatic life or life in the water and protects our water systems when we drain away these particular chemicals down our drains. And then LDC can be used in restaurants and cafes where they can use this particular formulation for cleaning their dishes, surfaces, and ensuring compliance, particularly with health regulators, while providing effective, gentle cleaning solutions. Now, to conclude, in summary, we've got Neolife, which is a trusted brand known for its commitment to providing safe, high-quality products that promote health and sustainability. Our formulations are designed with both the consumer and the planet in mind. Now, LDC is obviously this versatile and effective light-duty cleaner that simplifies everyday cleaning tasks while being gentle on surfaces with a pH that's balanced for safe use on fabrics and sensitive surfaces and the environment. However, it's important to use LDC and all Neolife products strictly as directed. They should only be used according to the instructions on the label or official company materials to ensure safety and effectiveness and to prevent misuse. This helps us avoid potential risks like accidental ingestion, so people drinking the product, which is not correct, or improper application, so using it in a place where you're not supposed to use it. By following these guidelines, you can fully enjoy the benefits of LDC while maintaining responsible use and supporting environmental stewardship. But before we wrap up, I'd like to give one quick announcement. I'm excited to share that I've created a Neolife product terminology cheat sheet, particularly for LDC, which simplifies the technical language that I used today, is now available in your back office for you to download, and then you can use it as a reference tool anytime. So if you're ready to make that switch to an eco-friendly cleaning solution, visit your replicating website today or check out your back office for more details as to how LDC can really make this difference into your life. And feel free to reach out to us directly for any questions and any further information. Thank you for your attention and time. Goodbye.